Good morning, boys and girls. Today's writing lesson is going to continue with your how-to writing. So yesterday you were to choose a topic about what you wanted to teach something about, even if it was something very, very little, right? You wanted to teach somebody about how to do something. And so you chose your topic and then you wrote step number 1. Let me put a number 1, and I give you the choice if you wanted to use this magical word right here, that is the word first, because first is another way of telling somebody that that is step number 1. So remember, I'm doing how to make a pizza, so it says first roll the dough. So when you go to write your second step today, I want you to first read yesterday's work. So I'd like you to read the first step you did so you remember what you already said, plus it helps you to see what kind of letter sound you use, if you use the right ones. It's kind of like you're checking your work if you go back and look at it. So today we're going to write number 2, step number 2. There are a few different words that you can use to go to the next step, and I will show you one of them, and then you can write your sentence or your next step. So for making a pizza, step number 2 is, we'll say, how about spread the sauce, okay? Because we rolled the dough, and then we're gonna put sauce on it, or spread the sauce. So I'm gonna write the word, it's called a transition word when you're saying it's like a different way. Like first is a transition word, later, next, then, okay? So I'm going to write this word. Next. Next. This is the word next, which is kind of a way to tell somebody, okay, this is happening now. Okay, so you did first, then next, like after this, we're gonna say spread. Do you see how I'm spelling out that word or stretching that word as best I can, hearing all those sounds, writing all of those letters, right? So next, spread the, right? And we decided if it's a sight word that we're writing, it has to be spelled correctly. So next, spread the. Okay, now we're gonna write sauce. And remember, and I know I haven't said this before. Yes, I have. It doesn't matter if you spell this word correctly. What matters is that you write the letters, sounds that you hear, okay? Next, spread the sauce. Okay, so that's how I did my next step. Now, this is my reminder to you. You are not writing about how to make a pizza. You are writing what you have decided that you're really good at and can teach somebody how to do. So Miss Noble is really just showing you, take it one step at a time, one word at a time, slow down, and think about it, okay? So I have to add my picture for spread the sauce. So for that, I'm going to draw, a jar with a tomato on it because that's tomato sauce. And I'm gonna put a spoon in my jar, and my dough's over here with some sauce on it. It's not, again, not the best artist, am I? That's all right. Okay, so make sure today you are writing step number 2 for your how-to book, okay? I would really like you to bring this to our end of the day meeting today because I would like you to tell me the first 2 steps to your book, okay? So make sure, maybe you didn't get a chance to do yesterday's or something, but make sure that you are bringing me 2 steps. Now, if you by chance handed in step number 1 yesterday by accident, it's okay. You could tell me what you wrote yesterday and then read to me what you wrote today. Okay, my darlings, I will see you soon. Bye.